Hello everyone and welcome to our next STEAM lesson. In the previous STEAM lesson we were looking at endangered species and why they were endangered, and that was because of lots of different reasons depending on the species that was endangered, and we also looked a little bit about what was being done to help these endangered species. So I thought that this lesson we could look in particular at one species that is endangered at this moment in time, and that is this person or this thing here. That is an orangutan. So our intention today is, can I create a poster to help save the rainforest or orangutan? So things we need to think about are, what is happening to the rainforest and why? Now I've got in bold writing there in capital letters facts. We're going to be doing lots of fact finding today, so when you are creating these posters you are going to be finding out lots of facts about these different things. So the next thing we're going to think about is, what effect is it having on the orangutans? So you're thinking about what's happening in the rainforest at the moment, and because of that, what is the effect that it's having on the orangutans? So there's lots of facts about that. And we're also going to think about what is being done to stop this situation getting worse. So what are people doing to try and help save the orangutans?